Alright, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to solve this problem here. The driver is not executable. So the first thing you want to do is go to your package explorer and open up wherever you're holding the driver. And then you want to go into this driver. And one quick way to open up this driver file is just to right click it, show in System Explorer, and that will open up your driver folder here. If you double click that, you can see that your ChromeDriver doesn't have any image. So to solve this, we want to go into terminal and then type in this command, chmod +x, and then we need the file path of this ChromeDriver. To do this, you can just drag it on there and then click enter. And as you can see, there's an image now for this ChromeDriver. So if we go back to Eclipse, this BDD project or whatever automation project doesn't work, so I'm just going to run it, but you'll be able to see that I can open up ChromeDriver. And yeah, that's how you solve the problem.